Reese Witherspoon looked fabulous with her look-alike daughter, Ava, at the premiere of Sing 2 in LA on December 12. Reese Witherspoon, 45, and her 22-year-old daughter, Ava Phillippe, are seriously twins, and the duo looked exactly like each other when they attended the Los Angeles premiere of Sing 2 at the Greek Theater in Los Angeles on December 12. Reese opted to wear a red sequin mini while Ava wore a black-collared mini dress. For the occasion, Reese, who plays Rosita in the film, looked stunning in a long-sleeve pink and red plaid Carolina Herrera sequin mini dress. The high-neck shift dress was covered in sequins and had a super short hemline that revealed her toned legs. She accessorized her look with a pair of sparkly red, pointed-toe studded Christian Louboutin hot chic pumps, a bright red lip, and effortless beach waves. Related gallery. Reese Witherspoon and daughter Ava, look-alike pics. Meanwhile, Ava looked just as gorgeous when she threw on a long-sleeve black velvet mini dress. The frock featured a plunging V neckline that was outlined with a white eyelet Peter Pan collar and had a flowy ruffled skirt. Ava accessorized with a simple choker necklace and ankle-strap black platform pumps. While Ava and Reese's faces looked up almost identical, the only thing different about Ava's look was that she rocked pink hair. She had her hot pink hair pulled back into a bun and parted in the middle while her curtain bangs framed either side of her face. She added a pink smoky eye and a glossy nude lip. Also in attendance at the red carpet premiere was Halsey, who looked gorgeous in a strapless Camilla Percy Spring 2022 dress. The dress featured a tight white mini dress with underwire cups while a sheer black tulle overlay covered up the front and skirt of the mini. The singer topped their look off with a pair of knee-high black leather Marc Jacobs Kiki boots.